vegan tuna poke bowl. Oh hey, I'm Lauren Toyota, I'm hot for food, and this week I'm back with the second easy grain bowl recipe, and today we're gonna make a super delicious, so epic, vegan tuna poke bowl. This is so exciting. We're gonna make tuna, ahi tuna poke out of beets. Now, before you scrunch up your nose, remember I made those beet pastrami sandwiches that you loved, and I made you love beets. Well, now you're gonna love these because these beets are super tasty. Yes, of course, it is not tuna, but it's supposed to look like tuna, and we've paired it with an avocado wasabi dressing, lots of fresh veggies and brown rice, and it's going to be your easy grain bowl for lunch. We did breakfast last week, of course, with the VBLTA and the soft boiled egg. Now we're on to lunch, so let's get prepping and then we get to eat. So let's make the vegan tuna first. We're gonna use red beets. So slice off the round cheeks from all sides till you're left with a beet cube, as you can see here. Now you can cut the beet into smaller 1/2-inch cubes. Now reserve the rest of the beet pieces for another use, say smoothies or borscht or whatever. You can even freeze them. Now in a medium saucepan over medium-high heat, you're gonna combine lime juice, rice vinegar, white miso paste, tamari or soy sauce, water, sesame oil, red chili flakes, and sea salt. Stir to combine this really well and then add the cubed beets. You're gonna boil this uncovered for about 10 to 12 minutes, then turn down the heat and let it simmer for about another 5 to 7 minutes until the sauce reduces. It should look glossy and thick like this. You're gonna use a fork to get some of the excess marinade to drip off as you lift the beets from the saucepan. Place them in one even layer, slightly spaced apart on a parchment-lined baking sheet. Bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 18 minutes. Now let's make the avocado wasabi dressing in a high-powered blender. Add lime juice, rice vinegar, vegan mayonnaise, avocado, fresh cilantro, granulated garlic powder, wasabi powder, and sea salt. Blend this until it's really smooth like this. You're prepping veggies for your colorful poke bowl like julienne cucumber, carrot ribbons, and thinly sliced radishes. Then you'll add some brown rice to your serving bowl and top with all of that good stuff. Be sure to add a generous drizzle of the avocado wasabi dressing, and you can garnish with black and white sesame seeds and chopped green onion. Oh my God, look at the vegan tuna poke bowl. It's so pretty and I'm starving. Okay, now I'm gonna mess this all up. Just mix it all up there. It was nice while it lasted. Like, even I love beets more than I ever have before. The sauce that's on this is so flavorful. This thing is hearty. We added some steamed edamame into the mix too for extra protein. I think I got a hair in it. Oops. Also obsessed with the dressing. If you want it even spicier, go ahead and add more wasabi powder if you like. No big deal. Oh my God. So you can have all the components like prepped and then just assemble your bowls and containers if you're gonna take it to work or school for lunch. Super easy. The dressing can already be ready to go in the fridge. You probably want to consume it within a few days though, because there's avocado in it and it'll get brown. Okay, I'm actually like, this is my lunch / dinner, so I'm gonna eat the whole thing. You're wondering, what the heck are you gonna do for your easy grain bowl dinner idea? Well, we're gonna level up once again. And next week, I'm gonna show you how to make a vegan chicken shawarma bowl. Look how sexy that thing is. Chicken shawarma is made from soy curls / TVP. So a nice inexpensive ingredient for y'all to use in your kitchen. That's coming next Wednesday. Make sure you are subscribed to Hot for Food because I'm here every single Wednesday with amazing vegan comfort food for you. Hit the notification button the subscribe button right there. The full recipe for this, as well as last week's recipe, are on hotforfoodblog.com, linked below as well. Takes you directly to the website. What else? That's it. You know the deal. Thumbs up. Leave a good comment below. I'm always looking, always spying on you and replying. Okay, I'd like to go eat now, so I'll see you next week, y'all. Thanks for being here. Love you. Bye. Oops.